Hi there, my name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists at Peal Lemon, and in this quick tutorial I'll be sharing with you the tool Broken Link Checker from Ahrefs free SEO tools. Okay, we're going to jump straight into it. But before that, I'm just going to explain why this is important. So fixing broken links is important because of UX, user experience, and it maintains SEO ranking and makes sure that your website has its integrity through content. Alright, so what you first need to do is you need to head up to ahrefs.com/free SEO tools. I will add this link down in the description. Alright, when you have arrived to this page that I'm on, you want to click on keyword generator, and down in the drop down you want to locate and then click on Broken Link Checker. Once you've clicked on that, no change, don't stress. You will now see that the Broken Link Checker is to your left, and then you type in your URL or your competitor's URL, whichever URL that you want to check for broken links. So in this example we'll be using Microsoft.com. Okay, and then we're going to click on start, and then there it goes. Ahrefs changes. So in your screen now it's going to change. So you're going to see Backlink Checker. There's another tutorial for that. I'll link that down in the description. Website Authority Checker, I'll also link that in the description. But we're going to stick to Broken Link Checker because we want to be checking for broken links today. And this is our URL that we typed, and then this is the subdomain. We want to keep this exactly as it is, mainly because we don't want to be looking for the exact URL. For example, we want to check Microsoft.com//blogs/Surface Pro and so on. Those are subdomains, not the exact URL, which is Microsoft.com. Alright, so now that that's set, we want to click on check broken links, and then we're going to let Ahrefs do its magic. So a pop-up screen is going to pop up. It's going to show us all the broken links that are on this specific website. Or if you're doing your website, all the broken links that are on your website or your competitor's website. Okay, while it does its magic, it's gonna, yep. Because it's a big site, there are a lot of broken links and a lot of domains, subdomains that is going through, so that's why it's taking a minute. Alright, so this is the pop-up screen that we mentioned. So this is broken links for the URL that we typed in, and these are broken links to your site. For example, on your site, sorry. For example, these are other people trying to link back to this URL or other subdomains. Okay, this is the number 21,000. So broken links to your site. So these are the different links that we or your company might be trying to refer it to another company or another domain. Alright, so this is specific pages. This would be the title tag for that page as well as the domain here. What you see here is the number of internal links from the referring page. So in this specific domain, 115, and this external links, which is 13. So this is the anchor text, which is right here on those specific pages, and the URL. As you can see, this is the reason why this link is broken. Alright, so that was just a quick tutorial on how you can use Broken Link Checker on Ahrefs to boost your search engine ranking. For more tutorials or tips and tricks on using Ahrefs and to boost your SEO, feel free to contact us at peallemon.com and subscribe for more videos about SEO and how to boost your ranking online.